Bog svima, zovem se Sanja, iz Dubrovnika sam i veselim se upoznati vas.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanja, I'm from Dubrovnik, Croatia, and I've been a full-time online Croatian teacher for the past 3 years. I use different practical methods that help students learn and improve their Croatian. My goal is to involve and engage students with materials that target and tick all the right boxes. As a welcome break from textbooks, I create interactive, tailored activities that can be played on any web-enabled device. They're great fun and really effective and fast way to learn. Here you can see some examples of my vocabulary lesson. Grammar lesson. And a real-life scenario. I hope that you choose me and we go forward together. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Vidimo se uskoro.